Okay, so this is our accommodation in 8 Adriatico Suites. So as you enter, you have a little table. Meron din silang shoe rack at fridge. May fridge din dito. At may microwave. Ito siya as apartment. My stove, my rice cooker, my kettle. Ito cupboard. Very nice. So, walang yan siya. May mga pots and pans na. May plates na din. Ito. Meron din cupboard dyan sa baba. So, this is another cupboard where we store your things. And clothes. And then may small desk here. At meron mirror dyan. Aircon. Meron siyang pa-bed na ganyan, oh. Tapos may TV at yung view natin is double-sided window. One there and one there. At ito yung isang double bed. At may mga storage dito. Yan. Storage. Check naman natin yung bathroom. Ang liit naman ito. Here, may toilet. Ito yung shower niya sa mirror. At yung shower niya, ganyan lang. Here we are, just tiny, but will do. So the view, I'll show you around the view. I think they will be really great sa nighttime. So yan yung view sa kabilang window. At ito naman yung view sa kabilang window. So I think the sunset in there later will be very, very nice. Which is perfect. So yeah. So yan yung Manila Bay just there. Manila Bay. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung baba. Ay, nakakalula. Yan siya. Huh? And then, ito yung view niya from the window. Here we are. Yan. That's our accommodation, Adriatico. Dami pagkain, no? Maybe you like something from here. You said you want Greek? Morning, guys! Another day! Ganda ng view dito. Good morning, guys! So, bumili kami kahapon ng Coco Crunch sa Robinson. So, ito lang yung breakfast ng kambal. Tapos, nag-milk na din. Tapos, si Daddy mag-drink lang ng coffee. So, ito siya. Yan lang.
Thank you.
Okay. Dito lang kami sa BGC. Tingin-tingin lang kami, guys, kasi sarado. Punta sana kami ng Mine Museum, pero sarado pa sila. So, tingin-tingin lang. Meron naman silang mga cool attractions. Lalaki ng building dito. Ayan. Andito pala yung Shangri-La. Shangri-La Hotel. Dito lang kami sa SM Aura. Cinema kami, guys. IMAX. No recording. Good morning, guys. This is our second to the last day in Manila. And we're just getting ready kasi pupunta kami sa friend ni Bill. Let's see. Yung migration agent namin long time ago. Such a mess in here, guys. Tignan nyo. Wala! Ang dami na naman. Packing na naman tayo dito. Init na sa labas, oh. Ito lang kami sa lobby. Waiting sa aming sasakyan.